it's true love, so we throwing confetti. My love so sweet, tastes like ice cream.
Welcome to PC Tech Space, another episode of Gear Up Chale. Okay, so today we are going to unbox the Arylic B50. Alright, okay, so this is a wireless stereo amplifier with an audio transmitter. It supports the Qualcomm aptX HD, adaptive, low latency, a USB disc, okay, EQ, phono input, and then audio transmitter for your headphone, and then a TV jack. Look at the side of the box, and that's what it is. All right, we're not here to look at boxes, we're here to look at what is inside. So it has the Go Control app. Guys, y'all gotta excuse me because I'm not in my in the new apartment. That's the reason why you see that I'm doing this close-up unboxing. But anyway, so what comes in the box is user guide, has a so this to explain to you everything that it supports. What I love about this, and the reason why I got this, I will explain very soon. So let's move that out of the way. Okay, so let's look at the amplifier. Okay, so it puts down. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Yeah, flip it around. Okay, so this is a power brick. Oh, this is a bad idea. Unboxing it black from a black background. That won't look good. Anyway, this is come with a power brick here. Okay, all right, fellas, let's do this right now. Okay, so from the magic of video editing, bam, background is gone, background is now white. All right, so like I was saying, that is the box for the power brick. So that is a big power brick. So it comes with this brick here. Let's open over here. This is the European plug because we're in the EU, so that's what it comes with. Depending on the market that you're in, obviously to come with it with the cable for your market. Okay, yes, this is the antennas, because for your wireless to transmit the audio to your headphones is the remote to switch between TX parent, phono in, line in, optical in, arc. Okay, so you can choose all the source, from here, from the remote control. Right there. Let's look at the amplifier. Yeah, okay, so these are all the inputs. I have a receiver here for the remote control, Bluetooth, line in, phono, optical, arc, USB-C, and then an inbuilt DAC. That's what I love about this. So on and off, toggle here, on and off, and then here. So this is for the Bluetooth. Now this is not a receiver, this is a transmitter. So I got this thing so that I'll be able to stream to 2 headphones, because at night baby sleeping, you don't want to disturb the baby and still want to watch movie. I have to stream to the headphones, so if I'm watching with my partner, I gotta have 2 headphones. So this one is what is going to help me to do that. So that's a DC in right there, Bluetooth. Go here. Those are the antennas for that one. So this is speaker. So okay, you can have some speaker out, so you can go ahead and wire this one out. And then okay, so that's the ground here. That's a phono in, line in, and then you have your left and your line in, so it's your left and right channel. You have your optical, which is your SPDIF, and a sub out. Okay, so this have a sub woofer out. And HDMI arc, USB input here, so you can stream straight from your USB, and a USB Type-C, a DAC in here, and then the reset button. This is a wonderful kind, and I think this is the only one in the Arylic is the only one doing this in the market, whereby they give you every single thing. You usually don't get this all in one. You don't really get that, especially having an HDMI arc. It's not really, because you have to buy them separately and then daisy chain things around. But Arylic, the B50 is the only one that I know is doing this, so I got this one for the headphone, being able to transmit to the headphones. 2 headphones. What I love is, let's go back to the box again. Yeah, so I got it because of that. It supports the Qualcomm aptX HD and the aptX adaptive that's built into that. And that's the reason why I got that. So for low latency, has the app. Oh, man, I'm loving this already, man. Let's put this one here. Man. Okay, there you go. See, all connected to be able to transmit to the headphones. And then this is your standard AA batteries. Yeah, so you can change, you can just select the source from here, on and off volume rocker here. So that's what you get, right? The box, the remote control, power brick, the Arylic B50 amplifier, and a transmitter at the same time. Yep, that's it right there. All right, guys, thank you once again for joining me today on Gear Up Chale. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Peace out.
Baby girl, I see you making all the body moves. Got me catching all those feelings, now I want you. Pretty face, pretty body, got them curved too.